In this exercise, we will learn the ruler and guideline option. The ruler helps us to measure a document size or any specific area in an image. It also gives us a guideline to keep our work aligned and to work on it in a specific size range. Let's see how this option will work. If I go to the View menu, here we have the ruler option. Click on it, or we can press Ctrl and R to select our ruler tool. Here we have an upside ruler and a left side ruler, and you can see it has started from 0 to the right side and 0 to the down side. And I can right-click on the ruler, and we can change the scale into pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, picas, or percent. Okay, now when I click on the upside ruler and drag it to the downside, we can see our guideline. We can also drag it from the left side, and during dragging, we can see a little box that shows us the measurements. And if I press and hold Shift and drag it, we can see the guideline is snapping perfectly on the ruler line. If I release it, then it is freely moved. We can hide and show that guideline by pressing the Control and semicolon sign, like this. And we can hide the ruler by pressing Control R, like this. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Smart Object option.